How to know who removed me from the admin in WhatsApp. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be discussing about if we can find out who removed us from the admin in WhatsApp or not. So first things, just head over to your WhatsApp application and make sure you are logged into your account and just select any of the group. And once you're inside here, as you can see in this group chat, I am the admin. So if I were not the admin and just a regular member of the group, then also I will be heading over to this group section, and from over here I'll be clicking on this group permission, and as you can see there is actually no any other option to enable or to see like who removed me from the admin. But you can see the admin had changed this or that, but because you are left out completely from the group, that means the WhatsApp will not be notifying you about the group or who removed you from the admin. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.